Now that you've started writing stories and documenting them, but what should be the angle or the theme? In part 2 of my storytelling series, here are the most liked themes that you should be talking about. Number 1 is coming out victorious. Number 2 is a story of hope. Number 3 is a story of despair, sadness. Number 4 is a story of you rising from the ashes after failure. Number 5 is a story of pure joy, happiness, or bliss. Number 6 is a story of betrayal. Number 7 is a story of revenge. And it does not have to be good or bad revenge. So here's the task for part 2 of storytelling. The stories that you've written in day 1, segregate them into these categories. These are the categories that sell the most, that people believe in the most. So you must talk about these things. Any of these things that you bring into your storytelling will create high impact. Thank you for watching.